Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuliso. Ngibona i-message lana kabhuti uMoses Gabela uthi indaba kacoach before akhuluma ngayo nje ayibeke eceleni uthi uBatman ungcono kakhulu kunoDuplessis. Uthi kungani bengadlalisi uDuplessis uBatman babe kuDuplessis lapha nebhenchini. Uthi akayizwa nje lento le kacoach. Nami to my surprise ukuthi khona ama-player ka-underperformayo laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs afana noDuplessis. uDuplessis umprotectile ucoach uprotect uDuplessis uthi uDuplessis uke wabanika ama-moments a-great. Yes, a-great ama-moments. I think angazi ngikhumbula ama-moments ayi-7 ngize ngenza ne-video yakhe uDuplessis bafethu ageja nje amasitha. So lento lesiyibone laphana eCongo akusiwo okokuqala uDuplessis ageja ama-moments amakhulu. Ujwayele ukuwageja mhlawumbe sewayi-7 just ukuthi-ke i-public outcry noma ngithi abantu abakhulumi ngoDuplessis kakhulu. Dale egeja noShiva Vero bacishe bafane ngokugeja ama-big opportunities for iKaizer Chiefs. Bona kune-element of futhi ngathi akanandaba nje umuntu wakhona isikhathi esiningi uma egejela ama-opportunities cause ngisho lento le ngoba ngimbukele ku-conference ngamlalela nanokuthi wayethini laphana ethi bafocusa kwezinye izinto oDuplessis hhayi ezintweni zebhola bafocusa ekutheni iKaizer Chiefs is the best team in Africa. Yes, okay, you saying Kaizer Chiefs is the best team in Africa. Wena wenzani kule team leyo uthi is the best team in Africa? Ucontributor ngani? What are you doing to show and then to prove to people with this could possibly be the best team in Africa? Uyakhuluma izinto ukukhuluma but-ke you're not backing ukukhuluma kwakho egroundini ngama-performances. I mean, if kuzonika oDuplessis opportunity sibabonile ukuthi badlala kanjani. uMorris this season uyitholile opportunity but umfana omncane uBatman ekuthiwa hayi uzohanjiswa laphana ku-DDC team bazobona ama-game azowadlala. And then uDuplessis uyahlala laphana unikwa wonke ama-opportunities kusho ukuthi uDuplessis ungcono kakhulu kunabafana abancane because imagine this into engishilo na earlier on bafethu ukuthi uBatman una 2 years ku-professional setup unayo leyo experience intensity of i-PSL uyijwayele nokudlala professional. So DDC team ingamslower back imbuyisele emuva mfana but-ke unless if bakha babuilda something nice for bona abafana ukuthi bakwazi ukwenza kangcono like njengoba ucoach ashilo ukuthi uzojima ne-first team but-ke uzodlala ama-game ne-DDC team. Why abanye abantu bangaba-demote because baningi abantu ekumele baba-demote. Kaizer Chiefs, I mean, I've never seen poor decision making kanje mina bafowethu. Baningi ama-player laphana Kaizer Chiefs anga-edit lutho but-ke they would rather stick to those players. Abantu laba bathola i-opportunity ku-Durban City ukuthi bahambise uMorris. Guess what? Azange bamhambise. I-Durban City beyifuna uMorris, i-transfer market yonke yasayina ubani uKoapeng or ubani umfethu lo owadlala i-Orlando Pirates dala then but i-Orlando Pirates azange ashayine ngaleyo ndlela leyo. Basayine yena uMorris. uGavin Hunt uyathanda i-strike ezinomzimba ezikwazi ukucontribute to i-game model yakhe overall. Bamfuna baze bakhuluma naku-media public ukuthi bayasifuna le striker lesi. But-ke bona baba-ignore only for them manje ukuthi bathi umfana ovikelayo bangakamniki ne-opportunity bathi bazomdemota angakadlali nokudlala ukuziprove abafowethu. Obvious ucoach i-decision yabo ucoach kumele sisupport vele i-decision yakhe uthola ukuthi ucoach uthi uyazi vele ngoba ubhuti njengoba beshilo lo munye ukuthi ujima bayabajimisa isikhathi esiningi baspend isikhathi eside bebonke so bayazi ukuthi yini what is best for ama-player. But i-decision making yabo kumele siyi-question what is best for ama-player kunama-player angadeserve ukudlala ku-Kaizer Chiefs for isikhathi esingaka. Maningi ama-player angadeserve ukudlala lapha at all. Singabala ama-player ayi-10 lapha if not more anikiwe ama-opportunities but awenzeni lawo ama-opportunities lawo. Abantu sebahleli i-Kaizer Chiefs ngoba bayathandwa bafethu but they are not there based on ama-performances wabo because makungabekwa ama-performance umuntu ahlaliswe phansi ukuthi okay wena uyenzeleni i-Kaizer Chiefs. Season ukora amagoli angaki last season i-striker zonke ebekwe la bezikhona last season udlala amagame awungakhi ukora amagoli awungakhi. Yi-performance ye-striker le kumele ishaya amagoli angaka. uDuplessis ulanda 100 games uKaizer Chiefs una 19 goals kuphela 19 goals I think 9 by the way uzothi i-record eli-good amaningi amagoli compare ngathi awakuleague awu-9 and i-league yabayidlala kakhulu compared to yini ama-cup games because amagoli amaningi wakhe abuya laphana kuma-cup games. That's the best player elingadlala ku-Kaizer Chiefs. That's the best striker they can have. Umuntu olanda u-30 u-approach u-30 phela manje uDuplessis. What has he given? Something that is really tangible. Hayi abanike abafana abancane opportunity bafethu bahlulekela abafana abancane nami ngiyavuma. But yeah we'll see ukuthi bazoshape kanjani nanokuthi bazodlala kanjani this upcoming weekend. Badlala a very difficult game, i-physique, but laba bebadlala nawo laphana eKonga yabalaza ngifuna ukuqamba amanga. Lo ngithi leya team ine-chance ukuthi ishaye i-Kaizer Chiefs, ayina-chance. Kaizer Chiefs if izodliwa nanokuthi lesi izoya kuma-penalty kuyobe it's their own doing ngempela. There's no way leya team le compete ne-Kaizer Chiefs. Is fairly fair ehome, but ibona Kaizer Chiefs noma bangafanga that much. The sad thing about them, they're not converting their chances. Sithemba ukuthi on that day, because they understand ukuthi badlalela ama-group stages we-continental level, i-CAF Confederations Cup, sengicishe ngathi i-Champions League. Abadlalela i-CAF Confederations Cup, they have to qualify for a group stage. Asiboneke when Sunday comes, si-live laphana. By the way, I think lento kumele ngilo, if use-stadium uyobukela i-Kaizer Chiefs this weekend laphana eDobsonville, you can write a message la under any of my videos, and then mina ngizoku-interview e-stadium ngikufake kule page leli, or ngikufake kwelinye ipage enizobona ukuthi khona abantu enginokusebenzisana nabo, ngifake lawo ma-page lawo. Sobona bafethu, sibafisa inhlanhla Saturday si-live eDobsonville laphana eSoweto phakathi eKasi bafethu. If leya team isurvive lapha, if Kaizer Chiefs kule ground encane compared to iSoccer City, they can't bury that team, then kuzoba nama-questions aserious okumele bawa-answer as a technical team. If they fail to qualify, I think they are gone. They cannot afford ukuthi banga-qualify for a continental stage, continental football. I mean, mababhala kuma-messages, because i-page le-Kaizer Chiefs isikhathi esiningi or naku-website yakhona banokuthi bathi they are beginning i-journey e-serious ngempela ku-continental level. I-Kaizer Chiefs, they want to re-establish themselves as one of the giants of South African football, and the only way to do that ukwenza kahle-ke phela laphana ku-continental level. So it's a big stage for i-Kaizer Chiefs this season ku-continental level. Batravel i-continent yonke, badeliver ama-results, bamake sure ukuthi bajabulisa ama-fan. I mean, ama-fans are there. I mean, ama-fans ayabasupporta, the most trendiest team online in South Africa. You know, everything is right from the fans side and the support side and the structure, the professional structure within the team. I mean, bane village natural, ayikho i-team enalento le South Africa. So ama-resources akhona ukuthi ama-fan i-team idlale kahle, but sokulele kubo konke. Ama-coach awangasabi ukufaka abafana abancane bahlalise la makhehla amadala laphana ebhentshini. Amakhehla awenzi lutho, ba-expect-eni ngempela kula makhehla lawo, because if you are not performing but because you are treated as a senior player, then kumele udlale noma kuthiwa uperform, hlala ebhentshini isizini yonkeke or bakulone ngoJanuwari bafethu. Hawu, danko, cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe bafethu, and making sure ukuthi le page ifika ku-15,000 subscribers, but into esiyiphushayo 20,000 subscribers.